We are interested, for instance, in the question how is time stretched or condensed when we listen to music, what happens in these slow motion scenes in films, and why do musicians practice slowly.
This study is about the psychology of learning and performing a musical instrument, and how a performer can focus their attention to achieve the best possible results.
We've got high-speed cameras which can capture footage of people moving with a very high sample rate. In one of the first studies we did, we were interested in seeing what exactly is done in slow motion scenes in films. And in fact, we found out that when you played music, it was perceived to be more arousing and time was more structured, and people had a different experience of the time which had passed. We believe that slow motion is really so important, the experience of slow motion in this time, which for many people seems to accelerate. Also, when we get older, we have the feeling that time seems to pass more quickly actually, and years seem to run. And with our project, we can see what kind of impact music may have on these subjective experiences.